So if you're trying to send email to Office 365 or any business domain and you find it difficult to land inbox, so I want to put you through how to properly set this Office 365 connector, because I've been using it for a very long time to, inbox Office 365 and other business domain. All right. I don't want to waste your time. Last video, people said I was not able to show the complete setup or everything. So this time, I will try my best to explain how these things are done. First of all, you need an RDP that has port 25 open. So for you to get one, I actually have put down a guide. You can get one here. I have a link here, and I will put it below this video description. And if you use it, you would actually notice that the price is going to be different from the main price. So when you go here, accept all, when you go here, go to VPS, go to Windows VPS. You see where I clicked, right? Click on it, and then the Windows VPS, and then it will take you to where you can get something from 8 gig above, because it will lag if you get smaller size, since you only send email with that. All right. So you can see this one is for £4. All right. So you click on this one, 8 gig, or you can select from this side up to the upper side, depending on what you want. Okay. So if you click on get started, you fill in your detail, whatever you want. This is for 12 months. This is for a month. Okay. This one. So it's very, very affordable. And then Windows and blah, 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 all of that. Put your password and everything, and you will buy it. Okay. This for a month, right? So when you are done purchasing, what you need is your IP. So you come to Office 365 with with admin. You click on the app, go to the admins section. I know we've done this before, all right? So it's going to be easy. When you go to the admin section, click here and go to the exchange section. This side, click on it. So when you come to the exchange section, we go to the mail flow here, click on it. Go to the connector, click on it. And go to add a connector here, click on here. On your organization email, click on it. All right. You can see what I did. I clicked this plus sign. This place popped up. I clicked your organization's email server, and I click next. All right. Decide, maybe put it lots of month or whatever you want. It's left for you, right? So when you come to this authenticating sent email, as where the mail work is, so instead of using by verifying the subject name or on certificate that the sending server uses to authenticate with the Office 365 matches in domain, enter in the text box below recommended. Click on this one that was not recommended. Don't mind them. So the IP you got, the RDP IP you got from here, all right? The RDP IP you got from here, all right? You're gonna take it. If it's 2021, or let's say 202.113, 0.34.67. If this is actually the RDP, I mean the IP of the RDP you got, click on it here and click next, and then create a connector here. So when you're done creating one, this is for example, actually, I'm going to remove it now. So when you're done creating one, all right, so what now do you need to do? So you copy the domain of this mail, copy the domain here, and go to MX record, add it here, remove the domain, remove the from, and look up the MS record. So when you look up, if you see this host name, Hope you can follow me. If you see this host name from here, that will be your host in that your RDP. Okay, that will be your host. So what you do is you come down to this in the RDP host, and where the ports in the RDP is, which is the default port, you're going to put 25. You don't need to select start TLS or SSL and all. You don't need to authenticate anything. You don't need to put your username. You don't need to put your password. But you add your from address in your sender, all right? And then you can test it to your email. All the things should be in that same RDP you bought inside it. So it's very easy. I hope you understand. So that's all you need to know about setting up this Office connector for sending email. All right. So I explain everything in detail here. So you have to add the address you got that matches the domain. If the domain is ABC, for example, abc.com, all right. So there should be an address that is added to the domain, maybe Latin at abc.com. So that should be your from. You add it to your stuff, all right? And then you don't need to add anything. That's your content. It's going to, the VPS here are actually, the IP protection are always good. So VPS that has good IP reputation is actually will also help you hit inbox. And then the domain, you're going to check if he has a spam record and stuff. But that doesn't really matter what the domain anyway. What mostly matter is the VPS powering it this time. All right. So if you do all this thing, you are actually going to, get it as soon as possible. So this is all you need to know about this RDP stuff. All right, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification button in case I drop another tutorial. All right, bye now.